Hello, my name is Stanley Ford. I'm a co-founder and the CEO of Dynastack. Thank you for giving me a moment of your time to introduce you to Dynastack and our cloud ecosystems. A little bit about us, an introduction to the team, our products, services, and support. Talk about our mission. Give you a brief overview of our cloud ecosystems. What various solutions we offer and how we approach our technology, architecture, and design. Some information on our support, managed support, and help systems for our customers. And of course, there at the end, some contact information. Now for a little bit of information on the Dynastack team. Our team spans 6 countries and 5 continents and continues to grow with our customers' needs. Our CEO and co-founder, Jared Rice, has 12 years of experience in web technology, marketing, and branding. Michael Miller, our CFO and also another co-founder, has 25 years as a small business owner and venture capitalist. Of course, myself, I'm the COO. I've got 20 years of experience in technology, control systems, and product management. Of course, our illustrious cloud architect, Steven Cheresco, with 16 years in web technology, data center infrastructure, and cloud management. A little bit more about us and the services that we provide. We spent well over a year, probably about 18 months, in developing what we feel is one of the most refined hosting and IT services portfolios that's available on the market today. And we're really one of only a handful of providers that's truly a one-stop shop for all of our customers' enterprise needs. We'll offer cloud ecosystems, security compliance, specifically for PCI and HIPAA compliant systems, and in order to achieve that, we've got all of our PCI and HIPAA compliant services are offered out of Tier 4 data centers around the United States. And of course, we always encrypt our hard drives to ensure the highest level of privacy and security. We also do web development, mobility development, various custom application development, and of course project management to support those efforts. Of course, we also provide support for everything we do. Our support team is fully trained and certified in all of their respective fields, and they're required to continually update their training to ensure they're always up to date. So we are capable of managing all aspects of IT services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Our mission. Our philosophy is to help you navigate the complexities of cloud computing and take you from strategy to deployment. So whether you need consultation, assessment, deployment, management, or complete design of a project, we're here to help. Our vision for Dynastack is to continually co-evolve our technologies to meet our customers' growing needs by partnering with the best and latest technology providers. You can visit our website at dynastack.com. So a bit about ecosystems. Businesses are complex, continually interacting ecosystems with multiple interconnected and codependent pieces. All ecosystems co-evolve together over time. So when you reduce some complexity, you can cause them to co-evolve faster and more completely. Part of our ecosystems are cloud servers. These are the persistent, dynamic, flexible, and elastic building blocks for your business ecosystem. They're completely scalable, secure, and reliable without all of the overhead of hosting it yourself. Of course, you have to have a network to connect your servers, and that's where our Cloud SDN comes in. Cloud SDN extends networking beyond the physical limitations of physical hardware. Virtual networking streamlines deployment and configuration of L2 and L3 network security and policy. When you use cloud, you now have the flexibility of utility billing. And cloud is unique in that sense that it moves the billing model from an upfront capital expenditure that requires management to a recurring operating expenditure model. Essentially, you pay for what you use, management is already included. And of course, flexibility. Cloud ecosystems allow you to move between production and development environments quickly and painlessly, and this ensures that your uptime is always 99.999%. In the 18 months it took us to develop Dynastack, we realized we had to come up with a new model. This new model we call IPSAS. It's a combination of infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. And really it's the fastest way to jumpstart any project. It allows you to eliminate the cost and complexity of using multiple vendors and support teams by shrink-wrapping your solution into one model. With the Dynastack platform, the Dynastack API, and the OpenStack API, you can actually leverage all of the calls within our platform to support your software to call on the hardware that it needs when it needs it most. But here at Dynastack, we've taken it even a step further. We can actually help you with your overall design, support at the data center and software levels, and of course helping you with the actual development and ensuring that your software works seamlessly with the infrastructure that's provided. Another great feature that sets Dynastack apart from other cloud providers is our flexibility. Dynastack is the only cloud provider that allows you to pause an instance. Once paused, the cloud server takes up minimal space until it's needed. This allows for much more control over resource and your operating expenditures. Let's see how that plays out during the course of a day. The solid line here represents a traditional cloud provider, Amazon. The dashed line is Dynastack. With a paused instance, there's no need for the server to be running when people aren't using it. So for the hours where your employees are out of the office, let's say from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., those cloud instances should actually go into a pause state and maintain that state until they're required. We can actually see that here. From the hours of 0 to 3 a.m., the paused instances are using minimal resources, whereas Amazon is still utilizing the resources that you originally set it up with, which means that your meter is running and they are billing you. So the difference here is Dynastack's not billing you for the resources that you're not using when you're not using them. 6 a.m. all of your employees start coming into work, so those resources start going up, and of course those instances start turning on, and this actually plays out during the course of your day. And we actually get to a peak where both cloud providers are actually using the same set of resources over the same period of time, and then at the end of the day, when all of your employees start to go home, those resources with Amazon will actually drop down, but again, they'll never completely shut off. And what Dynastack will do here is we'll actually pause those instances again, taking them back next to nothing. So you can actually see how you can bend the curve of your operating expenditures when it's associated with any type of cloud or cloud services. Something that we're very proud of is our speed. Dynastack is really the fastest public cloud provider in the world right now. Benchmark results have found that Dynastack compute instances spawn in as little as 10 seconds for smaller instances and consistently under 20 seconds for those larger instances. That's 40 seconds faster than Rackspace Cloud, Amazon, and other competing products. In the modern world, speed is king. In fact, we've actually tested this, and our speeds are actually now under 9 seconds. So it's something to be aware of when you're looking at cloud providers as you move forward with whatever project you may have. So let's actually take our cloud dashboard for a test drive. Here you can see I'm logged into our cloud dashboard, and you can see all of the server instances that are available that we've already pre-configured or the customers are using, or maybe some of the guys are doing some testing on. You can actually see also our cloud SDN here with our virtual routers and our public and private networks. Now that's just sort of a 100-foot view. You want to get down and look at the topology, and this is where things are really important. You can actually configure your routers to connect to a private network internally. They may go out to an external network for internet access. We talked about the speeds of our server deployments. Let's go ahead and launch a server now. I'm going to go ahead and select to launch a server, and I'm going to go ahead and just pick a standard CentOS 6. And we'll go ahead and put Cloud PBX on this server here. And this will be a small instance, and I'll just go ahead and I will click on launch. It probably won't work because my network hasn't been configured, so I will go ahead and drag in that I want this exposed to the public network, and I'm going to go ahead and say launch. Scheduling, it's networking, so the network's already been connected. It's blocked device mapping now for all of its hardware and resources that it needs. Oh, it's done. It's that fast. It really is. And that's something, again, that we are very proud of. Last, Dynastack's currently the only provider in the world that actually offers Windows 8 cloud desktops. I've already got one pre-configured ready to go, so I'll go ahead and connect to that guy. We can actually see here that this is a 4 gig instance with 160 gigs of storage, and it is in fact running distribution Windows 8. So let's go ahead and connect directly to the console on that and see what we get. Oh, there it is, Windows 8 desktop. There's your standard Aero desktop, just like you'd see on any Windows 8 computer. All ready to go, running in the cloud. Never lose a thing. And close it all out, just wanted to let you know that we are here to help. And we help with brainstorming, Q&A, collaboration, really help you answer all the questions that you've got concerning you and your business and your project or your product. We support all aspects of assessment and Q&A, collaboration, development. We're going to help you take you from dev to production, help you with your production data, with your reporting, even field support. We do offer fiber connectivity and structured cabling solutions as well. And of course, we do all the support for your back office. So feel free to contact us anytime. You can reach us at Dynastack.com, info@Dynastack.com. My email address is stanley.ford@Dynastack.com. And of course, our number is 1-866-HOSTING. And of course, if you're in Dallas, give us a shout and feel free to stop by. We'll get some lunch sometime. Thanks for your time, and be well.